Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2crafters1design, as well as Saturday Morning Makes. Saturday Morning Makes is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and hashtag 2crafters1design is hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. All of the ladies' links will be down below, and we'll be looking forward to seeing what you create with the theme this week of ladybugs. And before I get into my project, I want to tell you that next week's theme will be lemons. So pull out those lemons because we're headed towards summer, and what a perfect time to create some lemonade projects or whatever you'd like to create with lemons. All right, so let me start out by sharing all of the items I used. And for my ladybug, I am using this little ladybug that's on the Stitch Garden Friends from Cottage Cuts. And I am also using this tag set here, and this is called Mini Tags, and it's from Divinity Designs. Small flowers, I am using, I want to just say just both of these, and this is from My Creative Time. Also from My Creative Time, I am using this bow die. And then I'm also using the large treat bag from My Creative Time as well. And if you can kind of see where I'm going, and if you were with me yesterday watching some of the projects that I made for My Creative Time, yes, I made another umbrella. Love it. Anyways, so I'm using the umbrella die, using pretty much everything from there. And then I'm also using this little ladybug paper pack, which is by Lori Whitlock, and it is just adorable. I love it, love it, love it. All right, so let me show you this project. Isn't that embellishment adorable? I love it. I love using that large treat bag as a topper. That's what I like using it as. I absolutely love how it turned out. And I just packaged it up, put it in there, so they'll be able to disconnect it fairly well, because I used pop dots, the removable pop dots on everything. So I really love how that turned out. Hopefully you can see it through the packaging, so I don't have to take it out, but this is on the removable pop dots as well. But love how it turned out. There goes the My Creative Time flowers there. And I just used the leaves that came from the Cottage Cut set, and then of course the Cottage Cut ladybug, and then the bow is from My Creative Time. I love it. Oh, and that little sentiment is from My Creative Time's umbrella pack. So I really love that. Now, if you have the chance, My Creative Time still has her release sale going on. So you can use my code MOE for your discount if you'd like. Make sure you pick up this umbrella, because I'm telling you some of the projects that you can come up with this umbrella, and it's a nice size. So if you see my my project yesterday, I made it into a treat box, so it would be perfect for baby showers or wedding showers, you know, bridal showers, whatever you'd like to use it as. But I love, love, love this. All right, so that's all I have for you. Make sure you use the ladies' links down below. And thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.